Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little bit of a model showcase for you. So the models are these. These are 3 lots of short coaches 3D printed by Budget Model Railway, and they are able to fit on these Pico N-Gauge chassis, which I think I got for about £4 or £5. So in the packet you get 6 for £10. So I've got 2 in cream and chocolate, or I'm attempting to. We've got 1 in a sort of military type thing, and then here we have a freelance back cab loco that fits on a Pico, on a Kato 109 chassis. So these are all 3D printed, so these are my colour scheme. I've decided to go for red and black with brass colouring on all the highlighted bits, and I've done a yellow and green on the lights. I know it's not realistic, but it's freelance and it's my model. Then we've got some of these cream ones. We've got green roof on this one, and I used some old packaging to do the window glazing, which I know it's not the best, but I've never really done window glazing before. But even though it did take a while for these to come, but that was out of Budget Model Railway's control. But how they've turned out, alright. These two, the cream and chocolate ones, needs a bit more work in it, but I'm quite happy with this one. I kind of got a little bit of inspiration from when when Model Minutes did his version, but in HO scale. So I thought I'll do something different. I was going to do in a German livery, in a war German one, but the transfers, just all the decals that I used just disintegrated on me. But I think it's because they were in my little decal box for ages. But I've used these ones instead. I think these are from, I think they're from ICM. Yeah, so these and these are ICM decals. They came part of their little miniature submarine thing. So I think they've gone down quite well with Revell decal softener, then MIG decal fix. So yeah, so some of these do need a bit more work on, which I'm gonna do. But overall, only real construction you need to do is just on the bike and chassis. That's the only thing you need to do, and gluing the roof on top. And I did a mixture of both of Tamiya liquid cement and a little bit of super glue for those. And for the glazing I used some cheap PVA glue. So I might get another chassis for this, or I might just put it on the side of my layout when it does, because it's going to go into a bit of a remodel soon, so that's why you haven't seen it running for a little while. So these two have been painted. I used a white old enamel paint as a primer, then the rest of these are acrylic. The grey is enamel, but the green is acrylic, and the red and black are enamel, and the brass is a Citadel, Games Workshop Citadel type brass, and the yellow are just acrylic yellow paints from Revell. So yeah, so once I get the railway up and running, fully functioning again, I will have these two running, and once I get the chassis from this, it'll be putting these two along, or I might just have these as separate short coaches. And if you have any ideas on what you would like to see me do with this one, maybe have it as a grounded thing, waiting for scrap or waiting for restoration. If you want to see, if you have any ideas for this, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll see what I can do. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.